exactly why we do it, right? Alright, well, let me go do the same thing. You guys good on time? Yeah. All right, I'm going up. Taxiing out. Okay, take it off.
Timer cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
That was a nice landing, Jodell.
Oh, thank you.
Good flying too. I like the flight. I watched the whole thing.
Oh, did you? Alright. Getting the hang of it.
Yeah, look, it's fun to fly once you get used to it.
Yeah, I kept all the expos that you put, except for the elevator.
Okay. It looked good too. So whatever, it works for you.
Yeah. The elevator's down to 5%.
Okay, you're clear.
Clear.
What were you saying?
Time remaining 3 minutes.
How can I make my Afterburner brighter?
I'll have to take a look. It might be one of the older ones. It might be the light. The light may not be as bright as it could be. Put it that way. And if you need another one, I'll do it. It's no big deal. Because I have some new ones that are crazy bright. Because I did see it. It's just I'm like, it's not as bright as I thought it was going to be. Might have to flip it over too. There's a couple different things I can do. I'll take a look at it and figure it out. There we go. He's down.
That's 70. That's a 70
Yeah,
or 80?
70.
That 70 millimeter looks a lot more proportional.
It does.
Than the 90.
This is the Super Hornet, so it looks a little different.
Time remaining.
It's a slightly different. Yeah. It's a slightly different profile.
Yeah, because the F-18, the nose, the fuselage on the nose is a lot longer.
Long, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, low pass from the left. Yeah, the Super Hornet looks different. The nose looks different. And then the wings different, the intakes are different, everything about it's just a little different. No, your landing was good. It's hard. I mean, you got to do it with more than just one plane to really get used to it. I'll show you on this approach though when I come in. Low pass. Oh yeah.
Time remaining.
Have you seen it?
No, not yet. I've heard about it.
Those Douglas SBD.
Oh,
bombers.
yeah, the
Oh my God.
SBDs.
But apparently the Japanese thought that U.S. warbirds are not as good as theirs.
No, but they were stronger,
Yeah.
so they could take more of a beating, more punishment. And their pilots were protected. Japanese pilots were pretty much. They had really great maneuverability in light planes, but one bullet, boom, the whole thing's on fire. Yeah. Or the pilot's dead.
Well, that's why it's got a text. You guys got a chance to see it.
I'll have to watch it.
9, 8, 7,
All right, so.
6, 5, 4.
Okay, landing.
Gear down to 1. Time
So you're about right there, and then I'm not messing with the elevator, I'm just messing with the throttle. Wow, it doesn't want to come down. But that was no elevator, that was just throttle. I mean, it takes time to get used to. The Hawk is the best one to try that with, and then you get used to it. The Hawk does that the best. And then when you start trying it with the bigger stuff at work, you realize how much easier it is to come in that way.
Oh yeah, it is the superport.
Yeah.
Flaps up.
Just small.
Square intake.
Yep. What's wrong? It's not turning.
Uh-oh.
I gotta check my servo.
Maybe my turbo died.
Yeah, I'll fly my blue engine too.